those of you returning from our Collective Club, and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including cigarettes, vaping and the other use of smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We do have Wi-Fi on board today. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, please visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note, video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We are about to start our onboard service. If you do have any food allergies or would like any information on specific allergens on today's flight, then please do contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in our Club Europe cabin, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our Speedbird Cafe service. Pre-purchase items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Speedbird Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to the BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available. If you do not own a smartphone and would like some help, please ask a member of staff. Thank you. Payment ready in advance, and please note that we do not accept cash as payment. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable today, then please do let one of us know. Thank you.